We're going to use long division to find the quotient of x squared plus 3x minus 40 and x minus 5. Okay. Sometimes you'll see it written like this. Well, not like that, but let's see. Suppose you'll see it written like x squared plus 3x minus 40 over x minus 5. So you might see it written like that. But either way, it's the same thing. But we're going to actually, we're going to do it a little differently. So we're going to go to old school. Like that. Okay? So I'm going to get rid of this for a second. I didn't have to, but I just wanted to. All right. So this part right here is called, this is called the dividend. That's what they call it. Dividend is going to go inside. All right. You might remember this from elementary school. Okay. This right here is called the divisor. We're dividing by this binomial. Okay. All right. So it's going to go pretty much the way that you would expect. Let's ask the question, to get started, let's look at the leading coefficient here. How many times does x go into x squared? In other words, what I'm asking is, x times what is equal to x squared? Well, x times x is equal to x squared. So, what we need to do now is multiply x times this binomial here. So we need to do x times x minus 5. And of course, if we use the distributive property there, we'll get x squared minus 5x. So the x squared minus 5x goes here. Okay. Now we have to be careful here. The next step, we want to subtract. We want to subtract the x squared minus 5x from the x squared plus 3x. Okay. So x squared minus x squared, of course, that's going to go away. You don't have to do anything there. But here we got 3x minus negative 5x. That's going to give me an 8x, positive 8x. Okay? And now that we've completed the subtraction, we can bring down a minus 40. Now let's repeat. How many times does x go into 8x? Okay? Or what do I multiply times x to get 8x? No, x times what is 8x? That's basically what I'm asking. And so that's going to be a positive 8 because 8 times x is 8x. But since we have this minus 5, we have to multiply that as well. So x times 8 is 8x. Let's go ahead and move this down. Let's see. Let's go ahead and move this up right here. Okay. And then again, 8 times x is 8x. And then 8 times negative 5 is a minus 40, negative 40. And we got to be careful, again, to subtract those. And of course, 8x, take away 8x, goes away. Negative 40 minus negative 40 is 0. So we have no remaining. So what does this mean? This means that we can conclude that x times 8 times x minus 5 is equal to our dividend, which is, which is x squared plus 3x minus 40. Okay? And that's using long division.